Walked up on that. Not a bad start to the day, or night rather. I'll take them whole all day long, baby. As you can see, it looks like something fell out right there. Definitely looks worked. Before I show you that, when I got over here, I found a little broke. Would have been a killer little broke. And then another killer little broke. A couple tools and whatnot. Petrified wood ones at that. Big clay ball. Lots of tiny ones. Thousands of them over here. So I've been hitting a lot in this little spot. But let's check this thing out. Ooh-wee. Yeah. It's not broke, it's just super sharpened down on one side. This thing's gonna look killer cleaned up a lot better than it does with this dirt. Awesome. 2 whole ones. Not bad. Alright, it has been about 15 or 20 minutes since I found that last one. And if this thing is as perfect as I thought it was, it might be one of the best birdies I've ever found. Let's see about it. Dang, that is awesome! I am freaking out over that one just a tad. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Let me participate in the car wash here. Wow. Wow. Look at the color bands in that. That is insane. Y'all, I'm fired up over that one. One of the best birdies I've ever found. Style-wise, color-wise, shit. I mean, everything about it. Not a nick on it either. Whoo! I've got this showing over here. And y'all, I need some help. Because what kind of point is that? But this thing has got me excited because it's definitely paleo. But what kind of paleo is beyond me. Please help me out, y'all. I was actually doing a little walking on my way out of here. Oof. And walked up on that one. Another complete. Not one of the best in the world, but it will go home with me. Love it.